So today we are going to solve another question related to binary tree. So it's a easy level and the name of the question is minimum depth of binary tree. So in this question you just have to find out what is the shortest distance between a root node and a leaf node. So as you can see this example, so here the shortest distance between root node and leaf node is this one. So this is 2. As for this one, this is 3. Similar for this one, this is 3. Then the shortest one is this one. So we are going to solve this question with level order traversal method. So we are going to use queue for that. So we are going to use queue data structure. So this is my bucket. You can assume that this is a queue. So this is queue where I'm going to store these values. So firstly I'll put root in this one. So this is at height 1. So I'll increase height at every level. So childs of 1 is 2 and 3. So I'll remove this and use 2 and 3. So their height is 2. Now for 2, the root nodes are, the childs are 4 and 5. So now for 3, as 3 has no any child, right? 3 have no any child, not even a single child. So it's a leaf node. How we can say that it's a leaf node? Because it's satisfying the condition, and the condition is if node left equal to null and node right equal to null, then it's a leaf node, right? So it's fulfilling this condition, so simply we'll return this height. So this is a simple solution for a simple question related to binary tree. So now let's see the code. Here is the code for minimum binary tree depth. So firstly we define this function, and if the root is null then we are returning 0 or 0 because this height is 0. So we are taking a queue, pushing a root into this one, and in the starting the depth is 0. If the queue is null, because we already pushed root in this one, so at every level we are increasing the tree depth, and yeah, here is the queue size, and we are traversing like at every particular height and adding all those child node into the queue. So yeah, we are doing this, and as you can see in this one, we are taking the front of the queue, removing that front, and finding out like if it's a leaf node or not. If it is, then we are returning that particular depth. If it's not, then we are adding its leaf nodes to our queue, and in the end we are returning minimum tree depth. Yeah, that's all. I think that's all. Thank you so much.